Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Naledia, Thole, founder and CEO of Naledia Designs, situated at Mokopane, Maholereng Zone 1. We started our business at 2023. I started Naledia Designs. I'm actually a self-taught designer, so I learned everything via YouTube. So I started this business because of lack of unemployment and for the love of designers. So different. So this is the reason why I started this business, so that I could serve the community different things. Okay, at Naledia Design, offer metric dance dresses, wedding dresses, birthday outfit, mother and daughter outfits, and also the beads crown for Bomakoti, and also the printed shawl for Bomakoti. And then birthday outfits, they are unique because of we can also put character for the birthday and the name of the child. Naledia Designs is different. You have to choose us because we have unique things. Like, if you have mother and daughter outfits, now we can put a character and also the name of your child. So different, it's anything that is trending. Anything you're trending at that time, we make sure that we will deliver on. You can find us at Facebook, Naledia Designs, Instagram, Naledia Designs, 071 076 9481. Hi, my name is Naledia Thole, and I'm a township entrepreneur.